Hello everyone and welcome once again to this your channel. In case you don't know me, I'm Lynette, the person behind this wonderful project that I call GretaWings. And with this tutorial I want to teach you how to make this cup cozy thinking on some pumpkin. But also we already have tutorials to thinking on Frankenstein and Jack Skeleton for Halloween. I hope you like it and you want to do it. And if it's like that, let's see the materials. For this cup cozy, we will use just 3 colors yarn. On my case, I will use Symphonia brand yarn. It's 100% cotton yarn and it's about 3 millimeters. You can buy this one and more yarn with us on our website GretaWings.com. But remember, you can make your project with whatever yarn that you prefer, but maybe you need to change just a little the pattern on the cover. We will use just 3 color yarn. A pumpkin color yarn for the cover. For the leaves, we will use fresh color yarn. This one is some green. And Oxford color yarn is some gray but almost black. But you can change the color if you prefer that. With this yarn, I used 2.5 millimeters hook. We will need scissors, we will needle, pins, and that's it. Oh, sorry. We will need 2 safety eyes. I will use 10 millimeters and 6 millimeter safety eyes, but you can use the same size if you prefer that. And also, you can embroider if you don't have the safety eyes. I will show you how to secure these eyes because I don't use the secure that come with the eyes. I will use a fire. Then I hope you want to do it, and if it's like that, let's start making the cover. And for the cover, we will use pumpkin colored yarn, is some orange colored yarn, and we will start on round 1 with a slip knot, and after the slip knot, 40 chains. When we already have 40 chains, we will make 1 slip stitch in the first chain, then 1 slip stitch on the first chain, after that 1 chain just to up, and 18 single crochet taking the back loops only. And at the same time you can hide this thread. 1 single crochet, 2, and you can see how I made a single crochet in a form of V, but you can make the single crochet in a form of X if you prefer that. Then we will continue doing single crochet, taking the back loops only until we are 18. Only 18 single crochet. After 18 single crochet, this is the result. And now, from round 2 to 58, we will start with 1 chain, turn, and 18 single crochet taking the back loops only. This one is the chain, and here this is the first point. Then here the first single crochet, 2, 3, and we will continue doing single crochet taking the back loops only until we are 18 and finish this round. On round 3, 1 chain, turn, 18 single crochet taking the back loops only, and we will continue repeating the same until round 58. Remember, if your cup is the different size, you need make less single crochet and also more and less round. Depend of the size on your cup, or depend of the yarn that you use. I will show you with my cup. Is a standard cup. If it's different, this part, you need make more chains on the beginning, here. If it is larger than this one, you need make 19 single crochet, you need make more single crochet. And the rounds depend of the size too. On my case, with 58 rounds will be good. After 58 rounds, this is the result. I will make 22 chains to finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we will continue doing chains until we are 22 of the chains that you need for your cope. After 22 chains, we will make 1 slip stitch on the first single crochet on the last round. And that's it. You can cut this yarn leaving enough yarn just for secure and hide it. And that's it. This is the result. And now we will make some details using green colored yarn. And we will start on round 1 with a magic rain and 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You can close the magic rain. And now from round 2 to 6 we will make 6 single crochet in each round. If you think that is necessary for you, put some mark, but on my case I don't need it. Then working in a spiral, 1 single crochet, 2, 3, you need to make this, 4, 5, and 6, and continue repeating 6 single crochet in each round until round 6. When you finish the round 6, this is the result. We don't need the stuff on this piece. And now we will make 21 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we will continue doing chains until we are 21. After 21 chains, we will start on the chain number 2, making 20 increase. 1 increase, 2, and we will continue doing increase until finish all chains. When you finish the 20 increase, this is the result. You can cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn to close and also to make the union with the cover. Pay close attention how I close this piece, also how to make the union with the cover. Later we will make the mouth or first put the safety eyes and later make the mouth using Oxford colored yarn or black colored yarn, whatever color that you prefer. And pay close attention for the eyes. We will use 10mm and 6mm safety eyes, but you can use whatever size that you prefer or the same size for both eyes. Then pay close attention and you can see how I do it. Everything is very easy. And then we already finished this cup cozy. And this is the result. We can put it on our cup. And remember, we already have another design on this channel to make another cup cozy thinking on Halloween. But also I will show you another one thinking on Christmas. And you need to know that we already have tutorial to make this pumpkin on this channel. On the description of this video I will share the link with you for everything. It's very good to put in the pins. I really love it, and you can see in a lot of tutorials that I share with you. Then I hope you like it, and if it's like that, please don't forget to give me your like and your comments. I really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. And if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, what are you waiting for? I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Oh, almost forgot. We already have tutorial to make this cozy cup thinking on Christmas. If you want to do it, in the description of this video I will share the link. Then see you the next time. Bye bye.